Hey, it's Tim. There we got a 2010, what is this? Z71 Tahoe. Let's see, this one's got the let's see, I believe I had a 5.3. I don't think it's a, yeah, 5.3, not a 6.0. Definitely skipping. And you got the proverbial lights on, all the traction and the check engine light blinking and all that. So let's see what's going on with it. Yeah, it's shivering pretty bad. I'm gonna probably say one of these coils, but let's see. Cylinder 7. Yep, cylinder 7's giving us problems. Alright, more like it's a coil. Do we got anything else going? No, not on that one. No. So we got a problem with cylinder 7. So let's go check it out. Alright, well, I isolated the problem. And here's the spark plug. It's just, it's like shooting fire like every 5 seconds. Wait a minute, I'll show you. Now this is not something I recommend because you can get shot, but I want you to watch the spark plug. And see it just stopped. So that's how I isolate them. So we're gonna get some new plugs and wires for them. They should run just fine. Stay tuned. The spark plugs and wires. I don't think I'm even gonna film that. You pull the wire off, you take the plug out, you replace them. Now these can be a booger to get out. One good thing about these, you ain't got to worry about no firing orders, nothing like that, because you know where they're going to go to. But they can be a booger to get off the original ones because they got them metal things on them, and they get real hot without exhaust. And sometimes they are a booger, and they do this right here. So usually when I do a good tune-up, unless they're new, and if they're new, they're going to have some silicone grease on them anyway. They won't do that. But if they're original, sell them wires whenever you do a tune-up, because you're going to be screwing them up more than likely. If not all of them, at least a couple. So, but I'm going to be doing all the plugs and the wires. That's just how I roll. That's the best way to do it. And give her a good tune-up. Put some iridiums in here, and then we'll go from there. Just like I said, like they always do, they just pull apart right here like this. See how they stick on there? You can pull them out a little bit like that. Get you a good light. And try to pull it out like with a pair of channel locks or something. Maybe. Might be your best bet. Try to get it off. But it's still just on there so good, and they just tear up the end of them there. But I'm gonna tell her she needs wires anyway, because these wires are original. Okay, when you're taking them off, it's no big deal. You can use your air ratchet, electric ratchet, whatever. That's what I do. And just taking them out of there. Putting them back on, do not do that, because you could possibly break them, over torque them, or anything like that. So I don't advise doing that to putting them on. Just put them on with your hand with a boot, spark plug boot, and tight it with your ratchet. All right, got the new plugs. They're gonna be 41 162s, iridiums. They'll be gapped. Gap them at 40. Your plug wires will be 3284-03 if you get these. Premium select. Whatever, they're better than what they had. So I'll be putting the new wires, new plugs in, and this thing should run like new. All right, all new plug wires. Let's go in here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my light out here. Let's go over here. Let's go ahead and erase this. Clear these cold out. Oh, man. Okay, let's start it up. Woo! Good Lord. Can't vibrate the poor thing. It's so powerful now. Remember before it's put. Woo! Alright, another one down at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. And just remember, if you ain't testing, you're guessing. So make sure you test everything out. And thanks for watching.